Today I want to tell you something about this bag. This is a 37-liter pack, which is developed from 2017 to 2021, and it then got introduced. The first 500 packs, the Dutch don't really have a big military, but it is still quite a good one. So they have some really good stuff as well, and this pack is one of them. This is part of the VOS system. What is VOS? It is not the Norwegian water,
VOS.
but we call that in Dutch Verbeterd Operationeel Soldatensysteem, which is in English Improved Operational Soldier System. And this is the bag from it. This first got introduced in 2021, the first 500 packs. They got sent out to the 11th Luchtmobiele Brigade. I don't know how to translate that quickly, sorry about that. 43rd Mechanized Brigade, and there was also a light brigade that got it. I don't know the number anymore. So I did do some research before the video, but I simply forgot. So yeah, let's go over this little pack a bit, right? It's a really sturdy pack. It has a really hard back, some nice padding, but let's go over it in a little bit more detail. I'll find you a good spot. Right, so let me go over this pack with you. It has a, like I said, it's fully covered in molly strips here. And there's these clips here so you can carry something in between here, right? I carried my tripod here today, and this will keep it nice and tight here. It has a little pocket here where it can rest in. Really durable pocket as well. Very durable material. It's all 1000D Cordura, I think. Let's show you the back first. So we have this really well padded backside as well. You can see that is a really good padding there. The padding. And like I said, a really sturdy frame. This of course is just an aluminium bar probably, but in between that it's also pretty hard. So, and it's adjustable. You get the point. I'm not sure if it would come with a hip belt or not, but there was no hip belt on this one. I got this second hand, obviously. There is a little chest strap on it. There you can adjust this as well. Take them off, put one lower or higher, depending on how big you are, of course. There's also molly on here, and all these flaps, they come with the elastic band, so you can tie them up nicely. I hold this when I walk, so I didn't have to tie this one up, but all the straps have that. You see this one, it has it, front has it. So yeah, on the side of the pack you find these little rings here. The 2M, it says 2M rings, and they're also on this side here. So you can attach something like a roll mat, like a sleeping mat I mean, or something like that. So yeah, there's molly here on the front, there's molly on the side, I already said that. So let's go over the inside then. You have these clips as well, closing this off really nicely. Here's where the zippers are at. These are easy grip zippers. yeah, you have the 2 compartments. It's actually a 3 compartment bag. Kind of forgot to mention that. You have the gear loaders here, which you can unhook, and then you'll find 1 compartment here. I don't know if that's really visible on the camera, but yeah, so there's 1 compartment here. It might be for a laptop, maybe ballistic plate, or documents. It's pretty tiny, so maybe one of those fancy iPads or something, I don't know. So let's go to the front compartment, the small compartment. As said, you find these easy grip zippers everywhere. The whole bag is PU coated, so everything is PU coated for some water resistance. Not making it waterproof, of course, but it's water resistant. So in this bag here, in a tiny compartment which fully opens, you'll find 2 mesh pockets. 2 mesh pockets in there with the D-ring. And, oh, I mean, this one here, yeah. And the whole pocket has a D-ring itself as well. Those are just my snacks. I like to keep a few in every pack I have, you know, so you never without food like last time. What I can also show you here is a pretty wide, like this is a name tag, official size name tag, and here's the first aid. So yeah, there's some room here extra, maybe for your blood group or whatever, you know, some kind of patch. Now let's go to the main compartment then. So this is the whole main compartment. Like I said, it is a full clamshell opening. There is 1 big mesh pocket here on the front with a D-ring as well. Then the whole inside of the compartment here, you'll find these weird straps here. I've never used this, of course, so maybe somebody that has actually used this can tell me. I'm thinking this is where you can maybe store a helmet or something, like under here, and then strap it in, because I have no clue what else it would be for, right? So then on the side here, you'll find these 2 pockets here with a hole in the bottom. There's another one on this side. I'm guessing that is for maybe a water bag or something, a camel bag. So here you have 2 loops that I think are also for attaching camel bags. So I don't know really how that's normally set up, but I was guessing the 2 camel bags go in here. You can hang them up on here, which is kind of weird because you want to have that maybe here. But yeah, there's these zippers on the side here, which actually open up to there. You might think, well, that's obviously for your hydration tube, right? But then on the top here, under this Velcro, you also have 2 loops. So probably for maybe a radio antenna or your hydration tube. So yeah, that's the inside of the bag. It's a 37-liter bag. And with it, of course, we all know the Dutch Army bags. A lot of Army Bergens have this feature, of course, but on the side of this bag here, you'll find these easy grip zippers. You see there's a little thing you can grab them easily on, which is not really necessary, I think, but you'll find the zippers here, which of course are for, this is one type of day pack. This is a 15-liter side pouch, I mean. And then This is the normal one, like I'm used to seeing it. This is how I know it. This is just a 10-liter pouch with the strap on the back, so you can attach another one. Right, to make that into a quick day pack for 20 liters. And this one is 15 liters, but it doesn't have those attachment points. But yeah, we all know these packs. This is just a different print. PU coated as well. And yeah, this is just how we know it. Right, this here is your standard 10-liter pack side pouch with the straps on the back, so you can make it into another backpack, which I will demonstrate shortly. So to get back to the bag, you would normally take this molly, of course, and then put it under there so you have even more grip. It's not shaking too much, but for video purpose I'll skip that. And then this is how it would be attached. Right, you would have that ×2, of course. So this one would come here. Right, and these the 10-liter pouches on the pack. And these are the normal ones. I'm pretty sure that there's no surprise there. But like I said, we now have these, and this is actually part of what I got. So as you can see here, maybe there's the 2 different zippers from YKK Easy Grip. They will still, you can of course they will fit. So yeah, you can also attach this to it, of course, and then you have even more space. But it will grow pretty wide, I think. But yeah. This is the 15-liter pouch. There's a little bit of daisy chain on there. I don't know if it's called that way, but I usually call the one... Oh, this isn't even open. Alright, there's one more here. So these 2 are open. PU coated as well. I'm pretty sure that these are the packs they came with. These packs, and these actually belong to the 60-liter pack, because you can well, from what I have, I know there's a lot of different colors here. There's tan, there is green, There is a blue one for the Navy. There is a white one for like snow environment, which I have never seen yet before, but one day maybe. So yeah, but this is the same zipper as on the side here, the same color zipper as well. I think these packs actually go with the 60-liter pack that I have as well. And yeah, what is nice is that you can attach these to a 60-liter pack as well, and then use one of these normal 10-liter ones with the molly on there, and you can put that on the front. And then in total, you would have extra 40 kilograms, 40 liters of packing space. That is as big as my day pack. So yeah, there's a lot of wind picking up. I'm sorry about that. I still don't have a proper mic. Yeah, we'll just go and walk home again. I did make a few pictures here and there from an area where I really love walking in anyway. So yeah, I'll show maybe some more. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and looking at the bag with me. I hope you liked it. Well then folks, that was it for me for today. I'm all ready to go again. I hope you really like the review as well. I don't really do a lot of reviews, so I got a Highlander review as well. A Highlander 40-liter pack. Click if you're interested. I do really appreciate it if you would watch another video from me. This really helps the algorithm. Likes, dislikes, comments, all that stuff also helps a lot, of course. So please share the video with people who you think might like it too. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and take care.